Hello everyone, it's your girl Tanisha and I am back with an unboxing video. Now, I have been so excited to get this. This is my new Nobl travel suitcase. Now, I've been an Away girl, like I love the Away luggage brand. I have no problems with them. They have a great warranty. The product is awesome. I have several Away luggage pieces, but I've been seeing Nobl on my Facebook and I really like all the features that it has. So I think it's time for me to upgrade my luggage and I'm going to unbox this with you. Now I am leaving for a trip on Thursday, coming back on Sunday, so I am going to do another video with me packing my new luggage. But let's get into this. I am literally opening it up for the first time with you guys, so hopefully I don't have any problems getting it open. Let's see. Well, I can tell you it's packaged very well. The question is, are we going to be able to get it out? So we're going to take out the pieces here. And I think the easiest way to do it is going to be to do one of these. Here we go. OMG! I'm so excited. All right. So, it comes in a beautiful dust cover. And let's undo the dust cover. Let's see. Skylar, what do you think? Gonna check out mommy's new luggage? All right, here we go. Okay, y'all ready? Ooh, isn't she lovely? Isn't she beautiful? Here's Skylar singing with me. All right, so one of the things I really love about this piece is that it does come with a cover. So you can use this while you're traveling, right? When you're checking your luggage to keep your luggage nice and clean. You can also use it to store your luggage piece. All right, and here it is. Isn't it beautiful? So this is the carry-on piece. And one of the reasons that I got this piece is because of the features that it has. So this feature here is for your water bottle. So you can put your water bottle in there when you're traveling, and it opens up very easily, as you can see, right? All right, you can just fold that down. The other thing is it has a built-in phone holder. So let me see how I do this. There we go. So you see that folds down, and so you can set your phone right in here. Love that, love that. And the other feature that I really liked was this front compartment right here. So in here you can store your laptop or your iPad. It has two pockets here, as well as a big pocket right here, and then this padded pocket back here for your iPad. The other thing that I love is that it has a USB adapter so that you can put your charging bank, you can charge right from inside this pocket. So maybe you can put your charging bank right in here, boom, and you are good to go. So, oh my gosh, I love it, I love it. All right, the other reason why I love this bag, this luggage, is because there are no zippers no zippers at all. So that makes it a little harder for someone to try to just stick a pin through the zipper and steal stuff out of your bag. But it has these clamps, and each clamp has its own 3-digit security code. And so all you gotta do is press the 2 sides, and that's it. And now you have your luggage. And so what's cool, you have here where you can put all your clothes. You have the compression straps right here. The other thing I loved about this is that it already has built-in pockets here, right? So you have a pocket here, maybe in this one. I don't know what you want to put in here. It's pretty deep. It goes all the way down. You can see my hand goes all the way down. So you can stick some stuff in here. Then you have this plastic pocket. So this will be good for your liquids, right? You can put your liquids right in here. And then you have another mesh pocket right in here. So you got the mesh pocket, the pocket for your liquids, and then this really, really deep pocket here, which is basically the whole thing. So this is just the insert that came with it. Let's see what they provide for you in here. Yeah, this is just some paperwork that comes with it. So then you just unzipper it, and here you go. Put your shoes or whatever you're gonna put in here. All right, so this is the main space here for, you know, maybe you put your shoes, your whatever else you're gonna put in here. I don't know, whatever you're gonna put in here. I always keep my shoes, my tech bag, stuff like that on that side. So that's one pocket. Your second pocket is going to be your liquids pocket, and then you have your mesh pocket. And that's it. You just kind of close it up, snap, snap, flip it, and you are good to go. Yes, it has a nice good 360 spin. I love that, I love that. So in addition to the security locks, each clamp having its own 3-digit security code, you also have an additional security code right up top for the place that you keep your laptop. So this has its own security code as well. The other thing that's pretty cool is there are 2 hooks on the side. So if you have your personal item, a purse or something, and you're waiting at the terminal, you can set your purse here on these hooks. So I do love that about it. This is a very pretty red. I love it. I love it. Yeah, so this is what I'm upgrading to. Now, I did want to order the 28-inch check-in bag, but man, it keeps selling out. I literally got a text yesterday saying, hey, it's back in stock. So I went and I put it in my cart, and then I was like, oh, I got this coupon where I can get 2 pieces. So I'm taking my time trying to find a second piece, and by the time I went to check out, it was sold out, y'all. You know, my heart was hurt. I was like, are you kidding me? So I put another request in. Let me know when the 28-inch red is back in stock. And I promise you, next time your girl is not going to be twiddling and, you know, around. I'm going to hurry up and just order it and check out. But yeah, so I got the 28-inch that I want to get. And they have a really nice weekender bag that allows you to put the shoes on the bottom. So I ordered that, so I'll unbox that when it comes in as well. And yeah, that's it. So what do you guys think of Nobl, N-O-B-L? I'm loving it. I cannot wait to use it this weekend and give you a real good review after I use it. And like I said, when my next Nobl piece comes in, I will let you know. So in the comments, let me know what you think of this. What luggage do you have that you love? Is Nobl something that you are considering for your next luggage piece that you're gonna get?